This portion of New York Mets baseball is brought to you by Size D batteries, the perfect batteries for chucking, and by Mets Ball Washer.
Hey, Carmine, you want to go out tonight? Maybe get in the mix?
What are you talking about? I thought you was going out with Angie.
Nah, she dumped me.
No friggin' way. What the hell happened?
She told me I got stanky balls.
You got stanky balls? No way.
Yeah, take a whiff of this.
Whoa, those are some stanky balls.
Hey, Carmine, what's your secret? You always go straight from the gym to Margie's. She never yells at you about your balls.
That's 'cause I use Mets Ball Washer. Look for John Franco on the label. It combines the great scent of Brut by Fabergé and Pine Sol. Ball stanks gone in a New York minute.
Whoa, here comes Connie Donato.
Oh my God, who's got the great smelling balls? Mets Ball Washer is available at all tri-state area Waltbounds, Pathmark, and Modell Sporting Goods stores.
And hey, tastes great on Stadium pretzels too.